Hey guys, what's up? So in this video we will see how to make a spotlight in PowerPoint presentation. A spotlight look like something like this, where there is a button and a ray of light is coming out from which is used to highlight a text. In the next step, the spotlight will move to a distance where it is again used to highlight a text. In the third step, once again it's used to highlight a text. Now in this video we will see how we are going to make this button, the ray and the movement of this buttons. So let's see how we are going to do so. Let's take a new blank slide. Here what we have to do, we will go in the insert tab and from here we will choose the shape option and will make a circle through the oval shape. In the next option we will again go in the insert tab, we'll choose the shape option, we'll choose the oval shape and again make a circle, but this circle will be smaller than the circle that is previously made. In the next step we will go in the shape fill option and we'll choose a yellow color. This is mainly done because the color of the light is yellow. Now we have to group these two pictures together, the smaller circle and the bigger circle. So we will press Ctrl, we'll select the bigger circle and then press G. So both of these circles are grouped together. Now we will go in the format shape. From here we will go in the effect option, we'll choose the 3D rotation part. From here we will go in the preset and we'll choose the top preset. Now in the next option we will go in the 3D format part. From here we will go in the bevel option and from here we will choose the round bevel. So this is mainly done so that it will give a round effect to it. Now in the next step we will give some depth to this figure. Let's give it a depth of 15 points. So as soon as this is done, a button will appear that really looks like from which a light can emerge out. Now we have to make a ray. In order to make ray, what we will do, we will go in the insert tab. From here we will choose the shape option and we'll choose this triangle, the isosceles triangle part. We will make a triangle and we'll invert it. In order to invert it, we will go in the rotate option, we'll flip vertical and we'll place it just above the button. Now we have to cut this part of the triangle so that it will appear that the ray is emerging out from the button. In order to cut this part, we will go in the insert tab, in the shape option, the triangle part, and we'll make a triangle that will cover a rectangle that will cover those part of the triangle that we have to cut. Now what we will do, we will select the triangle, then pressing Ctrl we will select the rectangle. We'll go in the format tab. From here we will choose the merge option and we'll subtract. As soon as this is done, that part of the triangle that was covering the rectangle is deleted. Now we have to change the color of this particular frustum so that it looks like a ray. In order to do so, we will go in the shape fill option, we'll choose the yellow color, then we will go in the shape outline and we'll choose no outline. So this is how a button is made from which rays are emerging out. Now we will select the button as well as the ray and we'll press G and these two are grouped together. Now we will place the ray over here and in order to give it a sliding effect, go in the insert tab, we'll choose the shape. From here we will choose this option, rectangle rounded corners, and we'll make a very thin rectangle so that it will appear that this is the rope on which the button is sliding. Now let's change its color to black and let's send it to back. So this appears that the button is resting on this particular rope. Now let's give some animation to it. So we will go in the animation tab. Let's open the animation pane so that you can clearly see what is the animation that I am giving. Let's choose this button and from here we will go in the lines and the default setting of the line is from top to bottom. So what we will do, we will change it to right. Okay, so it will move towards right. So this is the first animation. Let's give it another animation. In order to give another animation in the same figure, we have to go in add animation. Otherwise, if we are going to choose the animation from this part, then that animation will replace the animation already or originally chosen. So we will go in the add animation and will again choose lines. As stated earlier, the default is towards bottom. We will change it to right. So it's moved right, but both of the animations are on the same between the same path. So let's change one of them. Let's choose one of them and we will just in time drag it and place it next to the another, so that the ending point of one is the starting point of the other. Okay, now let's go in the presentation mode and let's see how our button works. So in the first click, the button moves towards right, and the next it will again move towards right. You can increase the size of this ray and write the text in between this ray. So that's how you make button in PowerPoint presentation. That was all from this video. I hope so that you like it. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.